we're all alive.
Dad?
Hello?
Dad?
Hello? Can you hear us? Honey? Hello? Can you hear me? It's me, Maria. Why aren't you responding?
What's this?
It's upside down, you moron.
Oh.
Handbook for the recently deceased.
What's deceased?
Dead.
Does it say anything about heaven? Heaven real?
Nazis.
Daddy? Daddy?
So chill in here.
We're dead? What do we do now?
Well, I don't know, Liesl. Maybe if you didn't stand up on that boat, we wouldn't have capsized.
Well, if you hadn't have brought along your stupid little toy, maybe it wouldn't have weighed down the boat.
last
and we wouldn't have tipped off. Maybe you would have just let me know where you children.
Enough. Children, I know we're all upset, and I am too. But what do we do when we're upset?
Do we?
Not now. We're mourning.
Daylight come and me want go home. Me say oh. Daylight come and me want go home. Work all night and a drink a rum. Daylight come and me want go home. Stack banana till the morning come. Daylight come and me want go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and me want go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and me want go home. Live 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot bunch. Daylight come and me want go home. 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot bunch. Daylight come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me.
I gotta stop drinking.
But, honey, come back! Well, what do we do now? Guess we have to do this again. Page 1. What does it say?
Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice.
Yeah, it's beetle dice.
What could that mean?
Hey, can you guys let me in? I can't open the door. It's kind of hard. Thank God, Jesus. Well, you don't look too good yourself.
Well, I haven't looked in a mirror for a while, so.
Yeah, okay, whatever. So there's you, and then what is this? Your pet rat, or what?
My name's
what's going on?
Gretel, and I'm 5, and I can't read.
Okay, so why did you call me? Just to like insult my face? I got other things I can be doing right now. Who are you? You called me here.
Well, we need help getting our dad's attention, and you're the first page in the book.
And we're dead.
All right, fine. I'll help you. What do you want me to do?
We didn't get that far.
Who the heck even is this?
Is that the guy?
Yeah.
We can't figure out how to talk to him. He just keeps ignoring us. All right, guys. I got this. Where is Maria? Hey, buddy. Have a nice Von trip. Oh!
Dad?
Honey? Guys! All in a day's work.